In this video, I'm going to show you how to use GoPro action camera as a webcam on your Windows laptop or PC. So this is Anis. Welcome back to another video. If you need my channel, please consider subscribe and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So let's get started. So first of all, you need a GoPro action camera. So I'm using GoPro Hero 8 Black with latest firmware. So make sure you are updated on latest firmware. Then you need a good quality USB type A to USB type C cable for connecting GoPro and with Windows laptop. So after that you need to connect USB cable on your laptop, then power on your GoPro. Just press and it's turning on. After that, as you can see, here is the door for USB connecting. Just open this and remove this door permanently, and as you can see, this is the type C port and connecting this one. And before that, make sure you are enable webcam on your settings. Just tap on performance and connections, and here is USB connections. So right now here is MTF, so you need to change to GoPro Connect. So after that, just back, so just connect. So as you can see, USB connected. So let's begin another step on Windows laptop. Just open any browser on your laptop. I'm using Google Chrome, and go to GoPro official website. So this is the GoPro official website. We are downloading authentic applications from GoPro website. So as you can see, here's top side cameras and apps. When I moving mouse pointer on my laptop on apps, here showing three different apps that provide. One is quick, other for real study, for stabilizations, but we are going to download GoPro webcam. So this one, so this one, so click to GoPro webcam. Another page, instructions for Windows and Mac user. So I'm a Windows user. Now this is instructions for Windows user. So number one, download and get started and preview webcam using the GoPro webcam in your program. So first of all, we need to download a software. So click on and using GoPro webcam in your program, or this step, you need to follow this step, getting started with GoPro webcam for Windows. So here is the download link. Download the GoPro webcam desktop utility. So here is two link, here or here. I'll provide a download link on my description, so you can download easily on your Windows PC or laptop. Just click on here. So after that, it's open another window, then it's take few time. So and no preview here showing, and showing here just downloading. So just click on download and it will start downloading a little file. So just as you can see, and it is downloading. Yes, it is download done. As you can see, GoPro webcam 1.2.2 this version. Just click, and here's the running program. Just click on run, and welcome to GoPro webcam setup widget. So click on next and just accept the agreement, then click on next and install again. And after that, it installing this software on my Windows laptop. So click on yes, then it's and finish. So it required a restart. So I'm closing my browser first of all, then click yes to restart my Windows machines. So it's restarting. So it support lots of programming to using GoPro as a webcam, like Zoom meeting, Google Meets, and Facebook groups, and lots of other applications or programs supporting GoPro as a webcam. You know, GoPro is a best camera for actions, but it's also work as a high resolutions webcam. We know our laptop has low resolutions webcam, so nowadays video calling or meeting are very popular, so it's have help a lot. So so now our Windows machine restarted. So just opening, and it takes few moments. Now we are testing with OBS. We know often broadcast software OBS, so using OBS for testing this one, because right now I'm not calling others. So just click on OBS, and now open OBS, and here is the main window. So for using webcam as a using GoPro as a webcam, just click here, and as you can see, video capture device, and okay, you can name it or leave it as it is. Just okay, and integrated camera. Then here is GoPro webcam. So boom, it's changed to GoPro webcam now. So as you can see, it's working GoPro as a webcam. So just okay. So now you can record video directly from GoPro to your Windows laptop, or you can directly live streaming on your social media platform, or you can group call, meeting, etc. So yeah, you can easily use your GoPro as a webcam. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.